Hello guys, today Dubstechnology Present. Please subscribe to my channel. I need your support to grow up this channel. Back to the topic. So, Huawei has introduced the Huawei Nova 2S smartphone, a follow-up to the Huawei Nova 2 series from earlier in 2017, which in turn was a sequel to the original Huawei Nova from 2016. The Nova 2S is so far only launched in China. The Nova series was released internationally, though, so there is a chance Huawei will put the Nova 2S on sale elsewhere in the future. Specifications. The Huawei Nova 2S's announcement comes at a very busy time for the group as a whole. It follows the Huawei Mate 10 Pro's release, and comes just days after the Honor 7X and Honor View 10 launched in Europe and the United States. What makes the Nova 2S stand out? It has 4 camera lenses. Huawei continues to tempt us with a strong camera. The Nova 2S has a dual lens camera with a 20 megapixel and a 16 megapixel lens on the back, one shooting in RGB and the other in monochrome. Doubled up, they take cool bokeh-style shots, and used on its own, the monochrome lens will take stunning black and white images. It's not just the rear camera that has 2 lenses, the selfie camera does too. A 2 megapixel secondary lens joins a 20 megapixel main lens, adding the same ability to adjust the focal subject in a photo that we're used to with dual lens rear cameras. In a promotional video, Huawei also shows how this can be used to change the background in a selfie. There's also a selfie flash unit. Like all the previously mentioned new phones, the Huawei Nova 2S is another with an 18:9 aspect ratio screen, shrinking the bezels around it for a big screen. Small body design. It's a 6-inch screen on the front with a 2160x1080 pixel resolution, and like the View 10, a fingerprint sensor is underneath it, rather than on the back like the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. The body looks beautiful in the pictures, especially in the light blue color, and has a glass rear panel. It's slim at 7.5mm and light at 169 grams. This isn't a flagship phone, so the Kirin 970 processor with all its cool artificial intelligence hasn't been used in the Nova 2S. Instead, it's last year's Kirin 960 with either 4GB or 6GB of RAM. A choice of 32GB, 64GB, or 128GB, and a special edition version of the phone is offered. Plus there is a micro SD card slot. Other features include a 3340 mAh battery or 3.5mm headphone jack, Android 8.0 Oreo with the MUI 8, and face unlock using the selfie. Thanks for watching. So always stay tuned with new videos from my channel. Let's subscribe and share my friends.